When comfort matters most, trust the experts who keep your home running smoothly. Welcome to Everflow Plumbing, Heating and Air.
We combine old-fashioned service values with cutting-edge technology. Our fully licensed and insured team treats your home like our own, ensuring every job is done right the first time.
From emergency plumbing repairs to complete HVAC installations, our certified technicians deliver reliable solutions you can count on. Whether it's a burst pipe at midnight or your air condition failing on the hottest day of summer, we are here for you.
Plumbing problems, heating issues, air conditioning troubles? Don't let comfort interruptions disrupt your life. At Everflow, we believe in transparent pricing, prompt service, and complete customer satisfaction.
Everflow Plumbing, Heating and Air. Your comfort is our priority. Call us today for all your home comfort needs.